Mistake in PMP exam. Most of the people do not take enough PMP exam test. Practice makes man perfect. We all heard it. Guys, as much as question you will practice, you will be able to know types of real exam questions. You will be able to evaluate your readiness. You will be able to understand your level of understanding. You'll be able to understand complexity of the questions, difficulty of the questions, type of the questions. So before 1 week or 10 days of your exam, start taking full mock tests, at least solve 5 to 6 full mock tests. And based on those results, you can determine whether you should go for exam or should not. So don't avoid to take enough full mock test before your exam.